This is your N30 mask. I'm going to show you how to put it together. On your headgear, you have two little tiny holes on the end of each side. So what you're going to do is you're going to feed the arms of your mask into these holes. The easiest way to do this is go ahead and take off your pillow and set it aside. And then you're going to take the arms of those masks and you're going to put it in the hole. And it goes inside of that mask, not through it, but inside it, and it feeds all the way down. And then you have to feed it past the end. So you're going to kind of take it and pull it and then let it stretch around the end of that. So your gray arm should be completely inside that mask headgear. So you're going to do the same thing on the other side. Go ahead and find the hole, feed it in. Turn it over, get up, and you can kind of just hold it back with this hand, and then so you can stretch that past that plastic gray piece, and then it's completely covered. You should be able to pull on your headgear and it not come off. You'll reassemble your cushion, and on the cushion it only fits on one way. So if it doesn't fit initially, just turn it the opposite way that you had, upside down, and then it will go right on there. So to fit this mask, what you're going to do is you're going to take it, and you have two straps in the back. You are going to get a hold of the bottom strap, put it under your nose, and then just pull it down. The top strap should pull right into place, and it's going to kind of crown around your head. So one on top, one in the back. And this just sits right under the nose. To get it back off, you just pull and it comes right off. So no adjustments are necessary. If it gets too loose, you do have an adjuster here on the side that you can tighten it with. Wash your mask once a week in mild soap and water, but the piece that touches your nose, you really should wash daily. So you can do soap and water and wash it daily, or you can use a non-alcoholic wipe and just wipe that down, such as a CPAP mask wipe. You do change this little piece every 2 weeks, and you should receive extra of those in your bag. That is the N30 mask. If you have any other questions or concerns, don't hesitate to give us a call. We'll be glad to take care of any issues you may have.